1 acre 5 guntas, 5 guntas kharab, 1 acre clear title document, purchased property, tar road. H. Mogenalli, Channapatna, 8 kilometers, half a kilometer from main bus route, Channapatna and Ullur-Durga, major district road. Property divided into two portions, 25 guntas, 15 guntas, another 6-7 guntas, margin land, road frontage 250 feet up to that fencing towards west, towards south up to fencing, up to the tree. Clear title, general category, 5th owner. Owner is in Bangalore.